You know them as James, Lars, Kirk, and Robert.
Hi, James.
Hi, I'm Robert. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, Metallica. We're gonna be badass welders.
I did sheet metal assembly.
Process mechanic paint.
CNC machinist.
And you're all rock stars.
Rock on.
You know, a lot of people might say women don't want to go into manufacturing. We found that not to be true.
The Metallica Scholars Program helps get people into manufacturing that might not have traditionally been there.
There are opportunities for females in a male-dominated industry. These opportunities are helping to build the workforce of our future.
I think programs like this can help us work together to remove gender barriers that have been in place for a long time.
Women do want to do this work. They just need help. And this grant from Metallica nailed that.
Now going through this program, I really feel like there's people out there that believe in you.
To change so many people's lives, I just think it's so cool.
I wouldn't have been able to do this without this scholarship. It's a great opportunity to change your life.
And you are all now officially part of our team. Seeing the Metallica Scholars in person, it's an amazing experience. Everybody here today has a chance to do what they want to do and make a living at it. That's phenomenal.
To break that ceiling and to continue to build their careers.
When you put it all together, it's a success for all parties involved.
So to Metallica and to All Within My Hands Foundation, thank you for your innovation. Thank you for your creativity. Thank you for taking a chance.
Metallica Scholar in 2 words.
Honored and just really accomplished.
Life-changing.
Thank you very much for this opportunity. I would not trade this opportunity for anything in the world.
I'm a Metallica Scholar, and it feels pretty awesome.